Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. What is statistics? The branch of knowledge that deals with collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data is called statistics. Collection. This is the first step. We can collect data from senses, sampling, which are the primary source. We may also collect data from the secondary source, which we will discuss in detail in the next video. Presentation of data. The collected data may be presented in the form of a tabular, diagrammatic, or graphic form. Next, analysis of data. The collected data we can analyze by measure of central tendency, which consists of mean, median, mode, etc. We can also analysis of data with dispersion, which include range, variance, standard deviation, mean deviation, etc. We can also analysis of data with correlation, regression, distribution, etc. Interpretation of data. What is mean by interpretation of data? It means drawing up conclusion from the analysis and comparison made with the data. Next, main branches of statistics. There are two main branches of statistics: descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics. The branch of statistics that deal with summarization and representation. Summarization and representation of data set is called descriptive statistics. For example, a professor determines the average course grade for the students in a particular course. Next, inferential statistics. The branch of statistics concerned with using sample data to make an inference about population, to make an inference about large data is called inferential statistics. Example, based on a Pune survey, 28% of all men dislike football.